Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to gently exfoliate your skin with beauty formulas, brightening, vitamin C, micro polishing facial scrub. But first, I need to wash. So let's start by washing of my face. This is how if you want to exfoliate, you have to wash your face first. Make sure your face is thoroughly clean before you start scrubbing, all right? Don't scrub on a dirty face. Always scrub on a clean face, all right? So I'll be washing my face with tea tree foaming face wash. Yes, by SBC tea tree foaming face wash. That's what I'll be using. Directions: wet face, then apply 1 or 2 pumps of foam into the palm of your hand. Massage onto your face using circular movements. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. This tea tree foaming face wash has been specially formulated with tea tree and peppermint oils to help cleanse your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. Now that my face is completely clean, it's now time for me to exfoliate with my vitamin C micro polishing facial scrub. This is a gentle exfoliation in a light foaming gel to stimulate natural glow. All I need is just a little of it on my palm and rub it on my face and massage. It doesn't need much of it, just a little few drops is enough. It will do the work. It foams a lot and you just need little to apply on the face and scrub gently. It's very gentle, it's very nice, it's very smooth, it's very kind to the skin. Directions: use daily, morning or night. Moisten face, squeeze into fingertips and walk around the face and neck in circular motions. Take care around the eyes. Walk across the skin for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with clean warm water and pat dry. Beauty Formula's Brightening Vitamin C delivers an advanced skincare range to help you reveal your inner glow. Actively formulated with a vitamin complex that includes vitamin B, C, and E to provide the goodness your skin needs to thrive and look bright, fresh, and invigorated. This facial scrub utilizes micropolishing beads in a light foaming gel to deliver a stimulating exfoliation of the skin, which helps shake the dull, dead skin on the surface to reveal a new glowing, youthful complexion and leaves you feeling radiant and renewed, gentle enough for daily use. So this is a daily use facial scrub. But if you're going to use it, don't use it every day. It's something you can use twice a week. If you're scrubbing your face, you can scrub twice a week, not every day. Too much scrubbing on the face is not too good. I always say this in my video. So if you want to exfoliate and scrub your skin, make sure you do it once or twice weekly for effective use. If you want to see that it's really working effectively and your skin is glowing, and to take away every dullness and every dark spot on your face, do it twice weekly. So after every exfoliation, make sure you get a separate towel for your face only. Don't use the same towel you use for your body to use it on your face. You need a separate towel for your face, and when you're cleaning, make sure you dab, just pat gently on your face to get all the water off your face. Don't wipe it, just pat it gently and clean everything on your face. Your face is tender right now and soft, and you don't need anything hard or harsh on your skin right now. My skin feels so smooth, clean, fresh, and healthy. I love the feeling on my face, and it feels so light because of the facial scrub that I'm using. It's so light and so gentle on my skin. I love the after finishing. I love the way my skin feels. So smooth, like even from you watching the video, you can tell how smooth and neat and clean and healthy my skin feels. So I'll just go ahead and use my toner, use my serum, use my moisturizer and my sunscreen. There's no need for me to use a cleanser. Bonus tip: after every exfoliation, make sure you apply your sunscreen before you go out. Do not go out without applying your sunscreen, because the sunscreen helps to protect your skin from harsh sun damage from irritation and hyperpigmentation. So make sure you apply your sunscreen. If you need tips for affordable skincare products that work, kindly watch this playlist by my right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja and I'll see you on the next one.